welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a beach vlog because we're at Orange Beach right now. So we're just gonna show you our day and we're gonna do some fun things. Look at our view. Our view is amazing right now. We just put our bathing suits on and our t-shirts.
I have a t-shirt on and that's my bathing suit.
Yep. So we're about to go down to the beach and we're gonna take y'all along with us. Got to the beach. Walk right now. What are you eating, Nyla?
I'm eating shrimp and pasta.
And I'm eating a taco. It looks horrible, but I think we are gonna blow up this big old cupcake float. So if it works, we're gonna have a huge one to do, like to float on in the ocean. Our floaties. Now we're gonna go in the ocean. Floaty, floaty, floaty. We're going in the ocean right now with our goggles and our floats, and we're about to just go ride the waves and stuff. We don't want to get it in our face, so we're wearing goggles. No shame. So we swim in the ocean and we went to swim in the pool, and now we came back up to take showers and stuff, and I'm just laying down because Nyla's in the shower right now. We are thinking that we're gonna go have a photo shoot and take a bunch of pictures. While Nyla's finishing up in the shower, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. I know it's loud out here, but I wanted to start with the balcony. Welcome to our room. This is our bed. I just made it all nice and neat. So we have a huge bed, literally huge. And this is my side. I put all of my stuff right here, like my chopstick and stuff. And then Nyla's side is on that side.
Kind of dirty.
It's okay. Nyla put all her stuff here. And then we have our dresser, which is also kind of dirty. I tried to clean up, but it's whatever. So these are Nyla's two drawers, and those are mine. And we have our TV, our balcony. My favorite part of the whole room is the windows because we have like a huge thing of windows. And also, this is our bathroom. Coming this way, we have a bathroom. Still kind of messy, but this our shower's bougie. It's literally so bougie. And then we have this big old walk-in closet to ourselves. So we both brought about like 7 pairs of shoes. No shame in that though. So we hung our like fancy clothes. Nyla hung her fancy clothes. Hers looks aesthetic. And we just have a big old closet to ourselves. So that is our room tour.
Welcome to my room. This is my bunk bed also. It's nicely made. And then my brother's bed, of course. It was all messy, so I just organized it for this room tour. He's probably gonna be mad. This is where I put all my this is my t-shirt drawer. This is my bottoms. And this is like my pajamas. Like, you know, skirts, like shorts and pants. Yes.
She has this cool little window in her room. Show them it.
And look guys, you can see some people playing tennis.
So there's a tennis court right right there so she could watch them play. Oh, don't knock. No. No. Another one up there.
So guys, I got her for my birthday, but a couple of days is gonna be my real birthday, and we're gonna be spending a lot of time on the beach. And I just got this as an early birthday present because my Nonna and Poppy really wanted me to open one.
So she got a little baby. She named her Marie.
This is my birthday joy. So we have the shoes I'm gonna be wearing for my birthday, and they really match with this. It's like wells and some pink, blue shorts.
Is that your outfit you're gonna wear for your birthday?
Yeah, and this is my bathing suit. Me and my sister have matching ones.
Cute.
So that's why I packed them.
So they also have a bathroom, but our brother's in there. But this is her room tour. And if you guys watch this video, make sure you tell Amelia happy birthday in the comments. We just got dressed up and we are coming down to the beach. Check the tan line. Our tan lines are horrible. But we came down to the beach to take pictures. Got all dressed up. This is what I'm wearing.
Drew is our photographer.
Drew is our photographer. He's over there waiting for us. But let's go. Finished our photo shoot. Drew took all of our pictures and they look so good. Now we're gonna go back up and eat.
Eat it, Daddy, eat it.
Doesn't even reach his mouth.
Get it, bite it, bite it.
Where did it go?
We just got done with our photo shoot. We came up and we ate steak and we ate a bunch of stuff.
Baked potato.
And y'all, that game was so funny. Amelia and Mr. Jamie did it. So we're eating ice cream right now. And I think we're gonna watch a movie. I think we're about to go pick a movie. What are we watching?
Many of life's moments are being put on hold. At Rosanna, we understand that we get the car just can't wait.
Just asked her that, so that's why she looked aggravated. We're about to watch a movie right now. We were looking for like a kids movie, but Amelia went to bed, so. So guys, we watched this movie called Heathers, and it was weird. So I don't recommend you watch that. Just finished that, and now me and Nyla both got ice packs. Because if you can't tell, both of us are burnt. Nyla's face is burnt. Nyla's literally, show them your tan line. This is just a little bit of it. And I also have one. I don't know if you can see it with the shirt. Oh, that just hurts to do, but you can kind of see it right there. You can tell that my face is dumb shiny. We are struggling. We are burnt. So we got ice packs and that was so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below.
Turn on the post notification bell so you can
Yes.
see when she posts.
Obviously. And also, we might do one more video here. So if you like the beach videos, let me know. Comment down below any prayer requests you have. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see. I say that every video. I'll continue to say it.
Go get yourself checked.
Actually,
That's on period.
right now. Like right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.